Get him.
Oh, now he's going to get you.
Get him. Brandon, open the door.
No.
Brandon, open the door.
He's mad. He's going to get you now.
Oh, he closed his nose in the door, Brandon. Be careful.
You're the distance. Get him. Get him, baby, get him.
Oh.
Hey, I fell off. I'll get him.
Pick him up.
Come back.
Pick him up.
Come on, baby. That's okay. Go get him. He's flogging him.
Open the door, Brandon. Open the door more. Get him.
See you in there.
Get him. Stick him. Stick him. Pretty boy, get him.
Come on, little boy. I see you in there.
Let me open it for you.
No.
Open it a little bit more. Brandon's scared of you.
He's laughing at me.
Open it. Say, stop being a pussy. Tell him. Say, open it.